With the La Résistance DLC, you unlock a number of operations with your spies. Arguably, the most overpowered operation is Prepare Collaboration Government, which is available if your government isn't democratic. Collaboration governments give you compliance. You get between 15 and 45% per operation, up to 100% total. This means when you occupy territory, you get by default 99% of the resources and factories from that territory, instead of a smaller fraction. Compliance also means that you'll need less manpower and equipment to garrison that territory. In addition to this, collaboration governments also reduce the number of victory points you need for capitulation. Two great examples of when this is useful is with China or with the Soviet Union. Both of these countries have victory points that are deep into their territory, making them particularly difficult to capitulate. I do recommend in the case of the Soviets to do localized training centers early and recruiting Soviet spies to maintain the intel network, since there is an extremely high capture chance if they go down their historical path. This also means that the territory you occupy will not build up resistance as quick. How to set up a collaboration government. You'll need at least 2 spies, and to get a spy network with at least 50% strength, the mission will require a number of support equipment, weapons, and civilian factories, and occasionally a transport plane. If you have a 3rd spy, you can keep it in the country to maintain the intel network. After the success of the mission, you'll be able to do it again until you reach 100% compliance. Don't confuse collaboration governments with the collaboration puppet level. I have some videos on puppets and when it's worth releasing them.